We got cut off at the very end of the last video. I want to make sure that you guys still get to go through this benchmark review real quickly. So, our first thing that we're going to talk about is when two plates collide. This is called what type of boundary? Convergent boundary. This is an example of what type of boundary? A divergent boundary. This is a type of boundary where earthquakes occur. A transform boundary. This is a boundary where the plates slip past each other. A transform boundary. This picture is an example of what type of boundary and what is occurring at this boundary. This is a convergent boundary where an oceanic and a continental crust come together. Bonus points if you can tell me what this is called right here. A subduction zone. And another set of bonus points if you can tell me what is happening in this mantle underneath the lithosphere that is causing these plates to move. Convection currents. Volcanoes form at convergent boundaries. This is an example of a transform boundary. When plates move away from each other, it's a divergent boundary. This is the type of boundary where a new crust is formed. Divergent boundary. Okay, so today you guys are going to be working on a project, and I'm going to show you an example real quickly of what this project should look like. You're doing a PSA or a public service announcement where you're going to make a poster that would be directed towards the general public about either global climate change or about greenhouse gases. So what I want you to include in this project is what your topic is and what it means. What do we do as humans to influence it? How can we make it better or help? And then I want you to include pictures or diagrams that can also help when talking about these things. So this is an example of an exemplar, and this is global climate change. So first I talked about what global climate change is, and then this is a little bit of information about the graph below, what we can do to help, and anthropogenic or human impacts. And then you'll notice that I have impacts on human health, pictures of aerosol cans, smokestacks, and other things like that. So what I want you to do is take the liberties, make it look nice, make it look like a poster, and have it be something that you could show to the public in order to inform them about global climate change or the greenhouse gases. Go ahead and start working on your project. There's a space in your notes to jot down some ideas. You may use the internet to help you do research for this project as well as your notes from today.